Hello and welcome to physics. In this particular lesson, we're looking at speed. So the speed of an object is a measure of how fast an object is moving. So how do we calculate speed? Well, to find the speed of an object, we need to know how far it has traveled and how long it took to travel this distance. Then we use this equation here, which is speed equals distance over time. In other words, distance divided by time will give us the calculation of speed. So here's an example for you. So calculate the speed of a sprinter who runs 100 meters in 10 seconds. So in this case, 100 meters will be the distance. So 100 meters will come at the top of our equation. And the time it took is 10 seconds. So 10 seconds will come here at the bottom. So 100 meters divided by 10 seconds will give us an answer of 10 meters per second. So can you see the units here at the top, meters, and the unit at the bottom, which is seconds? We add these together. So it becomes 10 meters per second. So the answer tells us that the sprinter on average ran 10 meters every second. So whenever you do a calculation, be sure to write down the units of your answer. An answer of 10 to the question may not gain you full marks, and it has to be written as 10 meters a second. Second example we've got here, right at the bottom, is calculate the speed of a car which travels 300 kilometers in 5 hours. So again, distance goes at the top, the time goes at the bottom. So in this case, it'll be 300 kilometers divided by 5 hours. And that will give us an answer of 60 kilometers an hour. So the car on average travels 60 kilometers each hour. Speed and velocity. So we often use the words speed and velocity as if they have the same meaning, but there is a small but important difference. A speed tells us how fast an object is moving. A velocity tells us how fast an object is moving and in which direction that object is going. And lastly, 20 meters a second is a speed. So 20 meters a second northwards is going to be the speed and the direction together. And that's why we call this velocity. All right. So good luck with the rest of the questions. In our next follow-up class, we'll be going through these questions in much more detail. So see you then. Take care.